Hi guys, this is our ELD video. I know by now you're probably used to seeing me in that little tiny screen down in the corner like that. But I'm up here now, and we're gonna be doing something new for ELD. I am so excited. We are eventually going to be reading one of my favorite books of all time, you guys. That book is called Click, Clack, Moo. We'll get there, but for today, we have to talk about what two words mean. The first word I want to teach you is a word called demand. Can you say demand? Now go, demand. Do it again. Demand. A demand is when you tell, or to demand is an action that we do, and to demand something is to tell somebody very strongly what you want or need. So for example, if I say, I demand $100, am I strongly telling them what I want? That's a demand. I am demanding. Can you practice this? When we're done today, I want you to go around to your parents and tell them something you demand. I demand an ice cream cone. Can you practice that? Say, I demand a pet cat. I demand to take a bath. I demand carrots for dinner. You can demand anything. You can try it. See what your parents say. A demand is to very strongly say what you want or what you need. The other thing I want to talk to you about today is something called a letter. Now, we've talked about letters as in like this is the letter D, right? This is the letter A in English. D en español, A en español. These are letters, but there's also another thing that has the same word. A letter can also be, let me write a letter right now. A letter is also a short note that I could write to another person. So if I write a letter to somebody, I could say, I'm going to write one to Miss Dean. Dear Mrs. Dean, I miss you. How have you been? I hope we see each other soon. Hope we see each other soon. Love, Miss Steiner. Sorry, I know my letters are sometimes kind of hard to read when I write fast, but this is a letter. It's a note that I've written to another person. So this says, Dear Mrs. Dean, I miss you. How are you doing? Or how have you been? I hope we see each other soon. Love, Miss Steiner. This is what a note looks like. Not all things that are written are notes. For example, is this book a note? What do you think? If it's a note, who is it for? It's not. A note is when I need to tell somebody something. A letter is when I need to tell somebody something, but I can't see them in person and I can't use my phone. So I have to write it down and give it to them for them to read. That's what a letter is, okay? So with this book that we're going to read, we're also going to be talking a little bit about letters. And I just wanted to tell you what that one word means. And I need you to go and practice making your demands, okay? I demand that you close your computer and practice making demands. I hope you have a great afternoon. I will see you guys tomorrow.